Hello my fellow men humans. Well, sorry it's a bit of a late vid today, but it's been one of those days. I just thought I'd show you these. So these are what I'll be making today. So how I do it is you just got this thing here, which is a crucible for melting stuff in. So you just stick them all on top of each other and you weld them in like that. So yeah, excuse the dirty hands, dirty work. So here's probably my favourite. So now my dilemma is to try and get them to finish it. No, you get the idea. Try to make a sphere, which is a lot harder than it looks. Sort of thing. So anyway, I hope you had a fantastic Thursday, and whatever you're up to this evening, hope it's fun. And as always, take it easy, stay beautiful, and always be kind.